Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Connect the printer to its power source and load in your badge stock. Pass the badge stock through from the back of the printer. Align the badge stock with the yellow guides. Make sure the sensor is aligned according to your badge type, or the printer will not calibrate correctly. Align the badge stock with the yellow guides and close the printer. Turn the printer on. To begin calibration, tap on the wizard icon on the screen. Tap on Print and tap on Start Printing. Select Direct Thermal for your print type and confirm. Now select your paper type. Please select the media type according to the samples shown here. For this example, we are using mark. Choose Cutter for media handling and press the check mark. Make sure your badge stock is inserted correctly and press the check mark. The printer will begin to calibrate. Once calibrated, print a test badge. If the badge is correct, tap on the check mark and return to the home screen.